Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel, and today we got a new subscription box for you. This is going to be a quarterly box, not a monthly box, and it's from buddyoutdoors.com. This is their Sportsman's Box. This thing is massive, and we're going to take a look at it right now. Alright, so like I said, this is a quarterly subscription box, so you're not going to get it every month. And if you go to buddyoutdoors.com/boxes, which I will have that in the description of this video, down in the description box, they have 3 boxes you can get. You can get a Weekender, which is $109.99 a quarter. They have a Pro box, which is $164.99 a quarter, and then they have the Executive box, which is what this box is. And it's $299.99 a quarter. Now there are some nuance in those boxes, which we'll get into here. With this box, you actually got to choose 2 of the items that you get. And they also have, and I'm not really sure I understand it, something where you can actually send 1 or 2 items. If you really are really disappointed with them, you can send them back. So we'll have to see how that works. But we got a Sportsman's Box, a little envelope here. We'll go ahead and open this up and check it out and see what this is. Okay, so this is a welcome. The Executive Sportsman's Box retail value is $450. They have a list of the stuff, which I really don't want to look at. And it says, your gear, your choice. The Executive Sportsman's Box buyback program. Your subscription qualifies you to submit and send back and get credited for 2 items. We can only accept items 7 days after delivery date. After that date, items will be sent back to you. So they have this little card here with a lot of the stuff on it, with a lot of the items. And apparently, if you're really disappointed with some of the things you get with this quarterly box, yeah, you can totally send stuff back to them, and I guess you can get credit for them. So I've never really seen that in a box like this, so that's definitely something new to me anyway. But it's interesting. It's different. First thing we got is a Wicked handsaw. And I will say this, I have one of these already. And these things work very, very well. So if you're not familiar with this tool, with this handsaw, if you don't have one and you're looking for something, it's skeletonized frame. It's really not that heavy, and it's a really good handsaw. So yeah, if you haven't checked them out, I would check it out. Next thing we got a deer call. Okay, buck bark deer call. All right, so yeah, there that is. Well, it's a deer call. Realistic vocals. All right, grunts, growls, and snorts and wheezes. All right, so obviously there's no fooling the old buck when you have this signature series call. That's cool. And then we have a field pack from Outdoor Edge. This is a game processing set, so it gives you everything to skin. And yeah, yep. And actually, if you want to see, there's a list of all the knives that you get. And apparently, you also get a, wow, it even comes with a pair of gloves and a 2-stage sharpener. Okay, well, let's see if I can open this without cutting myself. And we'll take a look at this so we can see what it's all about. Oh yeah. Yeah, not too shabby. I'll just hold it up so you guys can see. It's a nice little kit. So yeah, if you're into doing any of this stuff, you know, right where you drop an animal, you know, if you want to start doing any of this stuff yourself, which that's not really me. But this thing, you know, sound off in the comment section if you've had any experience with any outdoor edge equipment, or maybe even, you know, this processing set. If it's good, if it's junk, I don't know. But if you have any, you know, if you've used this or seen it, you know, sound off. Let me know. Let me know if it's good or not. And we got some Walker Razor hearing protection. And these are not active, these are passive. So this is just a set of earmuffs. So yeah, I prefer active hearing protection myself. That's just me. We got two little small items here. We got a plasma lighter. So yeah. Of course, these things are really neat. And they work. And then we got a Nano Torch by KeySmart. So yeah, it's a light, pivot head flashlight. Yeah, so it's just a little flashlight that obviously you can charge because they give you a little USB cable here. So yeah, you can charge it. So that's kind of cool. And then a big thing that we got here is, and this is why obviously this box costs a lot, because you do have some really pricey gear. This is a Garmin fish finder. And the model, if you're interested, the model number is what? It's Striker Vivid 4CV plus transducer. And I don't have any expertise or knowledge with this unit, so this is going to be something interesting. There's the Garmin unit itself. So yeah, you got a fish finder with all of the goodies that it comes with. And then we have a Plano, just for tackle, just a little organization box. And then the thing that takes up a lot of this box is this Plano bag. And let's open it up and see what's. Oh yeah, check that out. That's really cool. Okay, so we have a mesh compartment here, and it has 4 of these organizers in the bag. So yeah, and then you have this cool compartment right here that's independent, that has this mesh on the front that you can open up and you can put stuff in. And it comes with 4 of the compartments. It has, you know, compartments here, has a zipper pouch here, has, you can wear it like a backpack. Well, actually, let me zip it back up so we can kind of take a tour of the outside of this thing. Put this box on the floor. Okay, so we have a compartment on this side, and of course we have a compartment on this side. We have a front compartment that has snaps, and it's just a single compartment. And you can wear this like a backpack. So it has chest strap, it has padding for your lower back, it has padding for your upper shoulders, carry handle up here. You can fix stuff here and here. So yeah, if you were needing a good tackle bag, this would definitely do the trick. It's a 3600 tackle backpack. So yeah, this would definitely fill the bill. So this was buddyoutdoors.com/boxes. You can go and check them out. Like I said, they range from $109 to $299. Now, like I said, they said the retail price of all this stuff was what, $400 and something dollars? Is that what it said? Okay, let's see what it says here on the card. And this is the the card that I got, sort of the welcome card that has all the components listed. Okay, $450 plus retail value. It has $179.99 for the Striker Fish Finder by Garmin. It has $89.99 for the Tackle Backpack by Plano. It has $54.99 for the processing kit, all the knives from Outdoor Edge. $50 for the Nano Torch. Woo! Wow, why is this thing $50? Okay, this, if you want to check that out, that is $50. The Razor Muffs by Walker is $29. That's probably about right. I don't know, 29, maybe. That sounds in the ballpark. The Wicked Tree Saw, $29.99. I know I can get a Wicked Tree Saw for less than $29.99. And $24.99 for the Buck Call for this. And $29.99 for the Plasma Lighter. So $30 for the Plasma Lighter. All right. So this is not going to be something every month, only every quarter, so every 3 months. So yeah, tell me what you thought about this box. This was definitely something different. And if you technically, seeing as how I just got this box today, it came today. If I was unsatisfied with 2 of these items, technically I could return 2 and get credit. And I'm assuming that they would just credit me the price as it's listed. Or no. No, they don't do that. Okay, here's the caveat. Items below are eligible for buyback. Now this is on this card right here. Hopefully, I don't know if it'll show up or not. Anyway, I'm gonna read it to you anyway. They list specific items and they give you the price of the buyback. So if you didn't like the butcher kit, you could send it back for $35.75, and it's listed on here for $54.99. The Plasma Lighter, you could send it back for $19.50, and that has a $29, so you're losing about $10. You're losing $10 on that. The Razor Walker earmuffs, you can send those back for $19.50, and they have a $29, so you're losing $10 on that. The Tree Saw you can send back for $19.50, and they have that at $30. And the Buck Call you can send back for $16.25, and it's $24.99. So, okay, so what they have to say here on this card is simply put, if you do not want an item, you can send it back to us, and we will credit your account for the amount listed, which is what I just read to you. And it says, while the item's MSRP value is higher, our offer to buy back your item is essentially the amount you paid for it. So, there you have it. BuddyOutdoors.com. This is their executive package box, Sportsman's Box. I think they sent this one out just because I just, subscribed to the service. So I think they send you one out immediately, and then, they follow them up. So yeah, if you made it this far, appreciate it. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it, thumbs down if you hated it, whatever. Subscribe to the channel, and stick around for some more video content. Appreciate it. Peace.